So here I'm going to do my shape. I choose to do a lamp, and it's gonna be 135 millimeters tall. Now I'm choosing my measurement for the top, and it's going to be 20 millimeters. And for the bottom, for the opening on the bottom, I choose 60 millimeters. My computer is going a little bit crazy here, so okay, now we're back. So now I'm gonna do a spline line, and so what this does is not a straight line. You can manipulate. If I leave one point like I left on the middle, I can manipulate a point to be whatever shape I want it to be. So I manipulate it, and it's now the shape that I want. So here I'm trying to revolve my object, uh, but I'm not sure how this works. So now I know how to do it. You click revolve, you choose one shape, and then you choose the line where you want to revolve. So I choose my tall line to revolve it, and now it's 360 revolve. What I'm gonna do now, I'm going to cut my objects, and it's gonna be two objects separated. So I went to construct, and now I click on split objects. I click one on my plane and the other one on my object, and now I have two parts, as you can see. So I need to hide my plate. I'm not really quite sure, so I click here and then I hide the plane. Now you don't see the plane, you only see the object. As you can see, now we have a whole solid object. So I want to do a fillet on the top, 3 millimeters, and then on the bottom. But I choose not to do the bottom because I remember from like watching a tutorial that if you do the bottom, it won't stand by itself. It will be kind of like fillet. So I don't think I want to do a fillet on the top or the bottom. So now I'm going to create a hole on my lamp. So I'm creating a circle on the top part that is 33 millimeters. So now I'm gonna extrude that circle to the negative side, so it creates a hole. Going down. Now you hit OK. Now you have a hole going through the lamp, which can you attach a bulb there. Now we're going to create a shelf. So we're gonna cut the object so it's hollow in the inside. So I'm gonna leave 5 millimeters between the wall and the inside. So 5 millimeters. Now 4. Yeah, 5. you can see I have a whole object and it's hollow in the inside. What I'm gonna do now is because the bodies are not together, I'm going to create one whole body, which I select both bodies and then I hit combine. And since I select both, just hit OK. And now as you can see, I only have one object.